In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Euro Truck Simulator 2 not launching. So first, go and right click on Steam, then Properties, and then Compatibility, and then disable full screen, and then run this program. Then click Apply and OK. After that, open Steam, and then inside, you'll go to the game folder and just do the same thing to the game. So go to Library and find the game, right click, and then Properties, and then go to Installed Files, and then Browse, and then you will see something like eurotruck.exe. Right click, and then Properties, and then Compatibility. Disable these two, then click Apply, and then OK. Once you have this done, you will see Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on that, and then you want to try to restart everything. So try to go to Task Manager and then shut everything down. Just shut down Steam, close it down, and then if you see the game here, Euro Truck, right click and then End Task. If you see Steam, make sure you shut it down because you're gonna try to restart the whole thing. So once you restart everything, this should fix it.